Hey there guys, welcome back to Two Wheel Riding. I know I've not been uploading videos since like quite a long time, and the prime reason was that I had my college exams and practicals and stuff, a lot of different things going on. So that was the prime reason for not uploading videos. But now since I'm back, this video is going to be about the battery water damage done by the battery in the Royal Enfield, any of the Royal Enfield that you own. So this is the amount of battery damage that is done in your bike if you have not cleaned it or have not got cleaned it by some of the mechanics or stuff. So my prime objective of sharing this particular thing with you guys is that the Exide battery water is like really bad. I mean, it is damaging so very badly that you can see those yellow colored. I know you can't be able to judge it on the camera, but if you see in reality in your Thunderbird 500, this battery water is just next level. I mean, we have not cleaned our bike internally since like the past 3 years since we bought it, and my dad cleaned the bike internally like fully. So I'm also working on that video on the full internal cleaning, so that shall be up soon later this month. Right now it's going to be about the cleaning. I mean, it's so bad. The water can damage a lot of other parts as well of your bike. So only reason to make this video was that I want to make you guys aware that if you're even using an Exide battery and there is no battery water damage, it just doesn't affect, just please change from Exide to Amaron if possible. Or then there are several other companies, and I'm just going to change my battery really soon. Like, I won't be using Exide now further in the future, because Exide is just headache. I mean, how can a battery damage so much? So now I'm going to share the videos of how to clean the battery water damage done by the battery in your battery compartment or the place where your battery is sitting, and just make sure you read everything that's written on the screen.
Égoïste, je suis pas là pour ceux qui voudraient de l'aide. J'attends que ma main sente toute seule. Juste un instant de doute, j'attends. Dernier moment pour réagir, j'attends de toucher le fond pour quitter le navire. J'attends. I'm waiting, and I'm waiting. Ouais, j'attends. I'm waiting, and I'm waiting. J'attends. I'm waiting, and I'm waiting. J'attends. Les dreads aiment, égoïste, je suis pas là pour ceux qui voudraient de l'aide. J'attends que ma main sente toute seule. Juste un instant de doute, j'attends. Dernier moment pour réagir, j'attends de toucher le fond pour quitter le navire. J'attends. I'm waiting, and I'm waiting. Ouais, j'attends. I'm waiting, and I'm waiting. J'attends. I'm waiting, and I'm waiting. J'attends.
I can do this all day, I can do this all night. I can do this all day, I can do this all night. I could do this all day, I could do this all night, all month, all year, for my whole entire life. Who you know got a home but seem to live on the road, looking like a black gypsy in a caravan of bros. Music for the people, I used to rap rap on the chain. Now I rap on the stage and I'm used to capital gain. I ain't asking for change, I'm good at coining the phrase. What I want is more than ever and never to fade away. Is that too much to ask? Good, cause I ain't asking. Already into action, I had your answer retracted. So stay about my business, it's crowded enough with me. You added, it's just a witness I'd rather not even see. I'm good with the folks around me, get from around me before we commence to clowning. Yeah, keep it on the level, yeah, keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the ladder while you in it.
So now I'm sharing the images of the before the damage and then after my dad cleaned it with kerosene, water and stuff.
Keep it on the level, keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the, I'm climbing up the. Keep it on the level, keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the ladder while you in need of a shovel.
Yeah. Don't give it to me easy. I like a little challenge. When it feels better when you take a little damage.
So guys, thank you so very much for watching this video. I just wanted to kind of spread an awareness कि please stop using the Excite batteries because they are just, as I said, I can't describe it anymore. So thank you for watching this video, and if you feel this video was good, go ahead and hit the like button, share this video with your Royal Enfield friends, and also make them aware that you need to change the Excite battery water as soon as possible. And secondly, what I suggest is go and get your bike checked, that if the battery water damage is there in your bike, and if not, if you wanted to do it yourself, it's really very easy. If you own a Thunderbird, remove those Thunderbird 500 plates, and then you can remove your battery, remove the holder, battery holder, and things will be good. You'll be able to just check that what's the battery damage, and if you find any battery damage, go on Twitter and tag Royal Enfield and tell them that this is the amount of battery damage done by the Excite batteries. So thank you very much for watching this video. I'll be catching you guys up in the similar series. I've made 4 to 5 videos on this particular series, which will be up soon in next month. This month the full internal cleaning will be up. So thank you for watching and have a good day.